We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase from French, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced beauty and luxury words and names as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is essentially the French term to say what is known in English as Cologne. How do you say it? Eau, meaning water in French, eau de Cologne. Eau de Cologne is how we would say it in France, eau de Cologne, but it'd be fine in English to say it as eau de Cologne. Eau de Cologne in English, or eau de Cologne in French. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting and related words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.